Hey friends, Melinda here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I post weekly workouts so that you can stay strong, fit, and fierce with me each and every week. If you're new here, make sure that you consider subscribing. Today's post-turkey cardio sweat will be an excellent workout to do after we indulge maybe just a little bit this holiday. But not to worry, I've got you covered in this 10-minute workout. Feel free to add on extra rounds to really sweat out those toxins today. If you love this workout, I want you to click that like button below and show me some love. Now let's get ready to burn it out. All right, guys, we are going to get our warm-up started. We're going to take hamstring curls to start off with. So you're taking a deep plie with the legs, reaching that arm high in the ceiling, down and press. Here we go. Lower, lift, down, press. So high up into the ceiling, bring your heel into that gluteal, down, press, lower and lift. Take that deep bend within those knees, warming up those legs down for this intense workout that I have in store for you today. Down, press, lower and lift. Really working through those legs, warm it up, press, down, reach, press, inhale and exhale. So we're breathing from start to finish today. Down, and reach. 4, 3, 2, last one, heel touches. So I want you pushing through those arms. We're working through those arms, our shoulders, back, chest here, and then flexing through the heels so we stretch out those legs. Inhale, and then exhale. Taking that deep cross strike with your heel here. Out and in. So you'll start to feel the upper body awaken here. Inhale and exhale. You'll start to feel that heart rate rise as well. Breathe through it. 4, 3, 2. Last one. We go high, high, low, low. Get it high to low. Push it up and down. Reach. Breathe it up. Take it down. So we just want to make sure that the entire body is warm for plyometrics, jumps that we have. Total body here. Press it. One last one like this. Give me little tiny pulses. Working through those legs, warming up gluteals and thighs here. We've got the opposite side. High to low. Lift it up. Take it down. Get it up there. And down press. Reach and lengthen. So finding this dynamic range of motion where we lift to that high to low action. Breathe. Press it up. Take it down. Lift. Reach. One. Last one right here. So we've got a jumping jack jump rope series. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Out, in, press. Again, you take it 1, 2, 3, 4. Jack it out. 2, 3, 4. Again, jump rope. 2, 3, 4. Jack it out. Press. Out and in. Stay with me. If you need to modify, you can always take it into a lower impact. Out. 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it out. Out. Again. You take it 1, 2, 3, 4. Out. Press. Again. Here we go. We take it. Jump rope. Press. And then we jack it. 4, 3, 2. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jack it out. Reach. We take it into a mountain climber twist right here. Twist, twist, up and around into that opposite elbow here. Breathe. You could always take it into a little hop, pull crest, up and around. Squeeze across that body here. Twist it. Inhale. And then we exhale it out. Squeeze. Breathe through it. Keep it moving. Up and around. Starting to feel that core really fire up here. Squeeze, keep driving, keep pushing. Up and around. Press it. Reach. Lengthen. One. Last one. Woo! We've got our long jump to jog back. Reach. Jog it back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push. Jog it back. Long jump. Jog it back. So you've got that 1-2 action. Pull it to the back. Inhale. And then exhale. Big hop forward. Take it to the back. Lift it up. Jog it to the back. Lift. Big jump. So how far can you go with that jump? Press it to the back. Breathe. Reach. Inhale. And then exhale. Land with soft knees. So I want you to land. Soft landing. Press it. One more. Biggest jump yet. Press it back. We go right away into tapping knees. Plank. Tap that knee. Press. Lift. Reach. Press. Inhale. Exhale. Press. Scoop the belly in. Reach long. Up. Down. Long spine. Don't allow the navel to hang downward. I want you scooping that belly in. So knee taps. Find the alignment within your plank here. Lift. Lower. And press. All the way up. All the way down. One. Last one. We go right into the next segment. Knee hop. Plank. Push. Up. Here we go. Knee hop. Plank. Push up. Again. Knee. Plank. Push. Drive it up there. Lift it. Press. Down. Pull it up. I want you driving your knee high in to the chest here. As much as you can. Work through it. Press. Try to find that deep range of motion within your push-up. Lift it. Press. Last one. On that side, we've got the opposite side. We take it. Lift. Press. Down. And reach. Again, I want you lifting high with it. Breathe. Keep it going, guys. Burning out here. Cardio, sweat, lift. That means you need to be working this entire time. Push, breathe, fight for it. You got this. Stick with me. We can do this together. Lift it. Press. Down. Reach. Press. Out. Down. And lift. Now we've got a shuffle into a skip coming up. Here we go. Shuffle, 2, 3, 4. Lift, 2, 3, 4. Shuffle, 2, 3, 4. Lift, 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 lift. Shuffle, 2, 3, 4. And lift, lift, lift. So even though I don't have a lot of room, I am making it work today. Press it. One more. Press it. Get it up there. Lift it. Lift it. Press. All right, guys, we're gonna take it to the opposite side. We shuffle, press it, lift, 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 lift. Shuffle it out. Take it up. High, presses right up there. Take it down, shuffle. Push, lift, lift. Shuffle it out. Keep it moving. Up, up, up. Press. 1, 2, 3, and lift, lift, lift. Give me one more. Shuffle it out. Here we go. High, push, lift. Woo! Last one, guys. Now, if that was not enough for you, then I want you to complete 2 or 3, maybe even 4 more rounds. Take a quad stretch here. Deep breath. Inhale. If you need stability, hold on to something. Take it to the opposite side. Breathe. Inhale. And exhale. Take it center. Breath in and out. Awesome holiday workout, guys. Wait to burn it out with me.